It's been 2.5 years since Jimmy Savile died, and only now is the depth of his depravity being revealed. Last year, a report estimated the former DJ had sexually abused around 500 people. Now, investigators are saying that a fifth of those assaults occurred at public hospitals.
Savile was a callous, opportunistic, wicked predator who abused and raped individuals, many of them patients and young people who expected and had a right to expect to be safe.
An inquiry has found that Starstruck staff allowed Savile free rein at 28 hospitals, allowing him to abuse 103 people. There are also allegations he inappropriately interfered with the dead.
The allegations about his behaviour in the mortuary are incredibly harrowing. He went to the mortuary at night and played with the bodies and committed sex acts on them.
It has only been since his death that Savile has been identified as a pedophile.
I still have nightmares. A lot of people would think, they would see me talking and they would think, oh, there's nothing wrong with him. But that's not true. I still have nightmares.
There are now calls for a public inquiry into the abuse. In London, Amelia Ballinger, 9 News.